What is up, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So this is going to be an unboxing. I got this item, this box, I should say, from Amazon. There should be a bunch of items in here. They are all electronic items, accessories for an electronic. They should be accessories for the GoPro or GoPros. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so this is going to be just a quick unboxing video. We're going to take everything out of here. We're going to look at it. This is going to be an electronics video. There should be a lot of, quite a bit of accessories in here for the GoPros, as well as there should be a Klein tool in here. So let's get this box cut open real quick. Today is November 5th, or December 5th, sorry, 2021. I ordered this on December 3rd, 2021. I got it on December 4th, which was yesterday. It's 2:22 in the morning. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see. Yeah, it's hard to see, but it's not auto brightening because there's a light on the camera on. But alright, there are some small rig stuff in here. Small rig. These guys aside. Actually, if I remember correctly, most of what I bought was small rig. Yeah, small rig, small rig. Lots of small rig accessories, and the Klein item is in here. Right there. So the box is empty. So this is the dual IR probe thermometer, which is the IR07. I actually mentioned that I had ordered in a previous Klein video. So this guy showed up. Let's see. So this says small rig buck. Small rig buck, small rig buck. Alright, so these three are the same. I need the knife for these. They actually have tape on them. This should be a buckle. Yeah. So these are like Arca style buckles. You can grab. Should work with these style buckles. These GoPro buckles. Or any style buckle like it. This one just happened, the GoPros just happen to have a little rubber cover to make them lock. Yeah. Fits just fine. Nice and snug. That's always nice. But these are aluminum. And these have a quarter 20, and a 3/8 by 16 on the back. Quarter 20, 3/8 by 16. And these you can actually mount onto a Arca style mount if you need to. So these all should be the same. I'm just going to move the boxes aside. Every single one of them should be the same for these. Yep, this one's the same. Small rig. And Small Rig makes great accessories. I have a lot of these style buckles in the aluminum from Small Rig. They work great. Okay. This one. And then should be, I believe, five of these little guys. And these are like $12 a piece. I'll show you guys what the prices of them are in a second. This one right here. Really. And I'm also waiting. There's going to be a package here tomorrow with the last item in my order. You can hear that these are all metal. They're aluminum. It's 5. The things that were in this box is these things right here. So the probe, IR thermometer probe, there should be 5 of these. There should be a similar style of this, but 4 of them in a different style. There should be a little tool here as well as swivels. So these feel like they're probably the swivels. And it says 1/4 inch piece pack, not sure. Well, let's open this. Yep, these are the swivels. So there's 2 of each. There's 2 of these in each box. These are the Small Rig swivels. And these are very, very nicely made. I didn't think they were going to be so small. Like the one I have on the cameras are a lot, on the tripod sitting here holding the camera. This one's a lot bigger than this one. A lot bigger around. Let me turn the camera light on. There you go. See, it is a lot smaller. So there's 6 of these. 2 3-packs. Or 3 2-packs. Sorry. These do have cold shoes at the bottom. Oh, that's nice. So you can use the 1/4 20 at the bottom, and you can literally take this off. Or you can attach it by a cold shoe. That's a pretty nice feature. It's a nice little set. And it does come with a couple tools. It comes with 2 tools and what looks like thread inserts. Let me see. Is this a 1/4 20? Yeah, this is a 1/4 20 insert. So what this allows you to do is if you need to extend, you need to make this into a male, you could. So it's a female 1/4 20. If you need to make this a male, you can thread it in like that. Now it's long enough to thread into a 1/4 20 female base. So that's a nice feature. And I grabbed the amount I did because I have lots of cameras, lots of camera equipment, and it's just helpful to have multiples. So here's another set right here. Put this in here so I don't lose it. And I do keep all of these bags they provide. It's always nice that they provide huge selection of bags. And these are really thick Ziploc style bags. And I'm just going to put these that came from the first one in this bag because they are all the same. Same thing, some more small rig mounts, swivel mounts. Move these over. Okay. And this guy right here is the same thing as those right there. So every time you buy these kits, you get a bag with 2 Allen wrenches, and you get 2 1/4-20 male threads that you can attach to make the female a male if you need to. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is what I ordered. And you can see it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So it comes with enough to do 2. This one's ripped. So 1 male 1/4-20 thread and 1 Allen for each. So you should get 2 in a package. I'm just gonna throw these in the same package. Throw these aside. These should be the 4 that I showed you on app. So we opened these already. 2 packs. We opened these guys already, which was 5. These 4 right here are more than likely this cold chew. So right here. And then one of these should be a tool. This one's probably the tool. Aluminum CNC quick surface mount board, yeah. Wonder why there's 2. So this, maybe there's 2 in a pack. I only ordered 4. When you look at it, we go to the post. Aluminum CNC quick release tripod mount with 1/4 adapter buckle. Base interface compatible for AR07 6543 21. It's not showing 21. It's not showing 9 and 10, but they're all the same. I've ordered from these guys before. I've ordered these guys. I've ordered this kit. I just haven't ordered the single. They're $12.99. I'm not really sure why there's two. I don't think there's supposed to be two. Yeah, each one has two. That's interesting. I guess I got more than I expected. Ficciato. That's interesting. Yeah. So I ordered 4. That's technically 2, 4, 6, 8 of these. I was not expecting 8. It holds this guy a little loose. So these will probably not work if one of these tangs breaks off. This will probably not stay in here. It's kind of loose. That is very interesting. I was not expecting that many. I was only expecting 4. So for $12.98, that's not bad. If you're $12.89, I should say, that's not bad if you're getting 8 of them. It's not bad at all. There's 4 right there. Comes with little 3M Velcro strips too. Pop these out also. Yeah, every single one of them has come with 2 so far. So that's a nice surprise. It only showed 1 on the pictures you guys saw. And this style has a 1/4-20 right in the center. And that's one reason I like these. But this is kind of an Arca style also in a sense, because you can mount these on an Arca setup if you wanted to. That's what the holes are for. I'm going to definitely keep all these little Ziplocs that are in one piece. That is a very, very nice surprise. I was not expecting, I was expecting 5 of this and 4 of this. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, yep. There's 8 of them. These should go in both directions. Yep. It's a little loose. You can see they're a little loose. But there's nothing wrong with that as long as, oops, as long as I don't drop it. As long as these tangs, so you see these, oh, freaking light. There. As long as these 2 tangs aren't broken, and these tangs break quite often on these little setups. Like I'll show you, I do have one that's broken. I still use it. There you go. This is what happens to these little buckle mounts. You can see the rubber is there, but the tangs on the side are gone. See? They're broken. Now on some of these styles, this won't attach. Like this one, the small rig, it's tight enough it's not going to come out. So it's not relying on these buckle tangs. But on some brands like these, it's not going to work. It's just going to continually fall out. So that may be something you might want to pay attention to. That might be just something you think about. If these are broken, you can't use them on these Facciado brands. Facciad brands. But you know, they're just CNC'd a little bit loose, and that's probably why. But if you have this style, you know, where it's not broken, it's relying how loose the CNC cutting is. You can see how loose it is. It's relying on these two buckles to not allow it to slide back out. And I use these a lot. Both of these tangs are broken on the camera that you guys are watching this on. And if I can take it off and show you guys, it looks just like this. But it mounts to this just fine, secure enough for me, and I don't have to worry about it. So these are going to do the trick for me as well. But just figured I'd show you guys. And then the last item over here, because the side of the box is a mess, is this guy, which should be a tool. Yep, this is the tool. This is what the side of the box looks like with all the boxes. So this is a small rig folding tool set, screwdriver and wrenches. This is a little camera tool, and it's kind of nice that it comes in this little small rig, semi-hard. Oh, this is a hard case. Hard case. It's a very nicely made little case. And it's in a bag. Look at that. So this is what it looks like. It's just a nice little, and this also has, on the side, you can actually test the different camera mount styles. So like this one right here, if you have a male, you can test to see which one it goes into. Goes in right there. Which means this one right here, yep, that thread's in there too. That's interesting. Oh, these are both 1/4 20. This might be for just putting spare screws and stuff for your cameras. That might be what those are for. But it comes with, it's a very nice little tool. Allen, we've got 3 Allens here. We have Phillips, we have another Allen, and we have a Torx. And this is just a wider flat. Nice little tool. This little thing was 20 bucks. So we have a 3/16 Allen. It says right here. A number 4 Allen metric, a number 3 Allen metric. And then this side we have a 2.5 Allen, and then this guy right here is a T25. It's a standard T25, and we have a number 1 Phillips. Surprised it doesn't have a number 2 Phillips. So definitely a nice little unit. I've been wanting to pick this up for a while, and I just never did. So now I got it. So that is everything that was picked up, and let me grab this guy. We're gonna cut this guy open. So this is the IR07. I have the ET05. Is this guy? This is the IR07. So this is a good thermometer. We'll cut this one open real quick. I just cut it, dropped it on the floor. I'll pick it up in a few minutes. Just drop it on the floor. Oh, it came with a case too. So this is a pocket tester with backlit display. Measures temperature from -40 to 572. This one will go up to like 480. So that's the little difference between them. Or -40 to 300 Celsius. Measures surface temperature using infrared thermometer with target laser. Distance to spot ratio is 8:1. Measure inside air vents and duct temperature using the temperature probe. It actually has a probe and it also has a hang hook. Quick calculates differential temperatures T1, T2 for both IR and probe temperatures. Functions include hold, max, minimum, auto, power off, and low battery indicator. I wanted to pick up one of these for a little while now. And I wanted to pick it up at Home Depot, but Home Depot, I guess, stopped carrying it. So that's kind of a bummer. But everything here, other than the 6 2-packs that I'm waiting for, the difference is the 6 2-packs I'm waiting for are plastic. And they are this style, but in plastic form, which is, they look just like this guy right here. They look just like that. That's what I'm waiting for to come in. I bought 6 of those. And they're also supposed to come with the plastic version. I had to go grab a camera. But they're also coming, so they're coming with 6 of this style mount, which is the plastic style, and they're coming with 6 of these with just the round base. Figured I'd show you guys that. So those are the order I'm waiting for that I purchased in this order. So if I show you guys, so it was a nice surprise that this, I got 2 of them. I was not expecting that. Sold by Trustworthy. I don't know who they are. But the center is threaded. So the center's threaded, the 3 outsides are not. These are the small rig ones that I just got. They're right here. When the price went up too, they were like $12, $15 or something. Surface mount board, oh, 2-pack. I didn't read the description, I just bought them. So that's nice. That's pretty nice. But so all of these items, including these right here, I ordered in the same order. So I'm supposed to be getting 6 of these, which is the plastic one I just showed you. They're on the way. They'll be here today. But it comes with a plastic one like I just showed you this camera is mounted on that I've been using for years, never had them break, and it's coming with these. I normally don't use these at all, other than the aluminum style. These are the aluminum style. You can see it's red. These are small rig brand. No, these are HSU brand. But you can get the colored aluminum thread, you can get the colored aluminum bases. You just have to go to different brands. But this guy right here, it's got the probe on the side. Same. I'm not sure where the hanger is. Oh, it might be in here. There's something heavy in the bag. Well, there's batteries in the bag. The sticker is crooked. That's interesting. It's interesting, and the sticker is crooked. Oh, the hanger might be hang it like that, I think. I don't know. Is there any information in the book? Environment indoor or outdoor, operating altitude 6,561 feet or 2,000 meters. 85% non-condensing humidity. Operating temperature 32 to 122 Fahrenheit. Storage temperature -4 to 140. Display white backlight. let's get the batteries in this real quick. You know, the video's already been pretty long, but appreciate you guys sticking around, checking out what I picked up. So the Phillips #1. Actually, we could use this guy right here. Tilt this down a little further. There. So we're going to use the small rig tool that I got in this package. Yep, it's a Phillips #1. These are candle alkalines. Come on. There it goes. I was hoping this tool would had a Phillips #2 also, but so it works well. It's nice tight. So when you fold this out, screen changes. Starting to drop. It says probe in the bottom corner. It's about right. It's actually about 79 in here. So if you fold it, turns off. That's nice. So if you fold the probe in, it turns off. You gotta turn it. You gotta push the scan hold button to turn it on. And it's in IR mode. It says IR right there. You can see the laser right here on the wall. It's saying 72.8 here, 76.1. Then you have your T1, T2, and then if you push both of these, push and hold, changes it to Celsius. Push and hold, changes back to Fahrenheit. Click on this one, max, minimum, and then max and minimum both are flashing. And then the laser stayed on. I'm not sure why the laser stayed on. That's interesting. I've never seen that before. So yeah, I push the button and the laser turns on, turns off. Wonder if you hold the laser on too long, it stays on. Nope. Oh, so if you push the min-max button, the laser turns it turns the laser on and keeps the laser on. So that's cool. That's pretty cool. It's a cool little feature. I do like that you just swing the probe open. It says it's 83.3. It's not. It's just got a drop. And this will do liquids, ambient air around it. It will do. You can use it to cook if you wanted to. It's a nice little unit. I'm not sure if this package is big enough. It might fit the old style probe. Maybe not. It does fit this probe too. Could possibly put both of them in the package. Probably not. Oh, look at that. You can fit both of them in here. So that will be a handy little package that I could just put both of the probes in here. That is everything I picked up, guys. I do like this little small rig tool. Maybe I'll contact Small Rig and say, hey, maybe if you can make this tool a little bit bigger and add like a Phillips number 2, and you know, maybe add a Phillips 3 would be nice as well. But it does come with most of what you need. And it's interesting how it comes with two, you know, the hard case and then a pouch and then the item. But, you know, it's quite a bit here. I didn't look at the description, so I thought I was only getting 4 of these. It's a pleasant surprise that the description states you're getting 2 per order. So $12.89 is not bad. This guy was 49 bucks. These guys were like 12 a piece. So these small rig ones are expensive. They're $12 a piece, but I was happy to pay for it. Definitely the tolerance and on these hooks are a lot tighter. So here's one that's broken that has no buckles. It slides in, it's nice and tight. That's what I like. So even if the buckle's broken, I can still use a camera and stuff on this. Compared to this one, where I would have to have this with the buckle still not broken. And these things break pretty easy. All you got to do is squeeze them in 5 or 6 times and they'll break eventually. But that's all I got for you guys. I hope the video was helpful. If you guys need any of this stuff, I will provide the links down below. The Amazon links where I got these down below for you guys. They are the small rig stuff. I've been extremely happy with the small rig stuff. It's outlasted longer than I expected any of it to last. So that's a plus. I don't ever use these little 3M sticky pads. I do keep them in my camera bag just in case they are needed for something, but I very rarely use them. I like that all of these come with mounts, to be honest. This one gives you 2 quarter 20s at the back and a 3/8 by 16 on the back, so that's nice as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope the video was helpful. I gotta clean all of the boxes and everything up now, but you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Hope you guys have a great Christmas season. I will do the just a separate video on the last item that's showing up. But that's all I got. Guys, have an awesome rest of your day. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I'll provide links down below for all of this stuff, probably at the beginning of the video so you guys don't have to watch the entire video just to see if there's links, but I will provide the links. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry that the video ended up being so long. I intended this video being like a 15-minute video or something like that, but it happens. You guys stay safe, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I will see you guys later on. Peace! Hope to see you guys on the next one.